Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Najjar, and today also we have a very beautiful girl from Texas, Houston. She's named Christy. She's there. Christy,
Hello.
how are you?
Good. How are you?
How is your tour?
It's amazing. So yesterday I went to the Dead Sea, went floating, and today we're here in the Sikh, and then later
Yes.
on going to the desert.
We are on the end of the Sikh
End
area.
of the Sikh.
On the end of Sikh is Indiana Jones movie.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
I mean the shot of Indiana Jones to the treasury over there. Everyone is still morning. It's not very crowded with the people. So I love this place and I love to move it and film it. Look at that. We're back to Christy now. Christy,
Yes.
you're from Houston,
Yes, Houston, Texas.
Texas. And you find out Jordan is so much, as you told me, a beautiful place.
Beautiful, amazing. I didn't imagine it'd be this lovely, so massive,
Yeah.
beautiful.
And tell me something, Christy. How you find the service of Petra Night Tours company?
It is excellent. From the time I stepped off the plane, I had someone helping me to get my visa and everything in order. Then Petra Nights was there to pick me up and take me wherever I needed to go. They've been very helpful and very nice. Couldn't ask for anything more.
Thank you very much. We always try to do all the good services to our clients. Yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
I'd say so.
Yes. Thank you, Christy.
Thank you.
And you enjoy the rest of your tour with me?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Goodbye.
Bye.
Again, we take another shot to this beautiful treasury from here. I love to film it when it's no people here. So beautiful. And we can find out the camel in the middle. That's beautiful camel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye again. This is Muhammad Najjar from Petra Night Tours.